What a ride! I'm finally in Toronto, man. God dang. What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video with my boy Mr. Maximilian, the boy Fort Wiz Al. I'm letting him ride the supermoto. Let's see him pop some wheelies today, some wheel skis. Got the wifey here, he wants me to be all safe, but I'm being reckless today, like always.
See ya, have fun.
Getting ready to ride right now, just, what?
Be safe.
I'm always safe.
Can I have a hug and a kiss? Be safe.
I'll do. Like this. Nice.
Okay.
I'll do.
Okay.
Love you too. Yeah, man, we're going for a quick run around the city. Probably gonna hit the Niagara Parkway. After that, I'm gonna let them go and I'm gonna be heading down to Toronto. It's gonna be a long ride for me, y'all. I know last video that I posted some wind noise and all that stuff. I'm gonna get a mic so you guys can hear me properly and not hear the wind noise. Woo! Out on the soupy! Woo! You guys gonna hear a lot of wind noises. It's too windy today. Yeah. Yo, good? You guys loving it. Uh-huh.
Go down and take the service road or whatever. I don't like riding on the highway. It's fun.
Yeah.
I like birds.
It's nice though, cutting turns and all that shit.
Yeah,
Good, you?
good, man. I was hoping he would be done, but the guy got COVID.
You're gonna be late, bro.
Yeah, I'm going right now.
She's always late. It's on island time.
Alright, brother.
Yeah, no problem.
Alright,
Yeah,
safe. Text us.
To see your place there.
yeah, no
Text
problem.
us so we know you're safe.
Will do, yo.
I can't get over it. It kind of feels nice.
Alright, yo, I'm going. Take care, yo. No problem. Have fun. Up to Toronto.
An hour later.
What a ride! I'm finally in Toronto, man. God dang.
Little longer than a few minutes later.
Yo guys, as you can see, man, CAE's here. I had to cut my ride short, man. It's like I rolled down to Toronto to have my bike towed back over there, man. I have no idea what's going on. Shout out to my boy Eric, came through. Want to say, put your face on there?
Sandio, we out here.
Came through, showed me, smoked me up and all that stuff, man.
Blast them up.
We checked the bike, I don't know what's going on, yo. My luck, man, I don't understand. This is just literally my luck. But I rate this guy, man. Called CA in literally like 30 minutes ago and then came through. Sad day for me, yo. But it's all good. I'm blessed to have my boy out here, man. He came through for me, man. So homeboy here, man, got his key stuck in his truck, so we got the CAA driver helping him. Damn, CAA driver's coming through for everyone, yo.
Yo, that's the what? Never. This guy
Oh,
took
shit.
the bumper off him. And
Oh
this guy just
shit,
crashed
took the whole whip, yo. Jeez, yo, that doesn't look like the bumper came off, yo. Holy.
Scrap it. I feel like parking it up in the bush somewhere and have a little blunt.
Yeah. Got the CA man hooking his feet up. Oh. Nice. He hooked you up nice, bro. My bad, guys. So my GoPro died, so I'm using my cell phone right now. Yeah. Gotta start that. Oh, okay, it's good. Yeah. Bro, enjoy here, yo. Yeah. Dude's revving it. This guy's amped. Dang, yo.
Thank you, so much, bro. Holy shit.
Alright, my guy, I'm gone, bro. I'm going back to the falls.
What's the page?
Yo, Ninja Boy Jordy. Let me show you right now. Hold on. Well,
I
yeah.
don't lock my phone. I'm like, leave it if we want.
Man, them.
Don't know, eh?
Yeah, don't know, man. Yo, link up, bro.
My bike has a bike. The guy went to the bin for 100 years. He has a nice bike. Maybe he can take it.
Yeah, eh? Yo, link me up. We'll talk about it, yo. Appreciate it, bro.